Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. Today I want to talk about the 3 reasons why customers decline. Let's start with time. This is where the customer's perception is that they will not have enough time in their day to perform the recommended services. Money objections are often perceived by us as an objection to our pricing or the customer's ability to pay what it is we're asking. And finally, trust. This is where the customers do not believe that they can trust you or your shop to perform these repairs or services. When you think about what a customer says no, it can usually be boiled down to one of these 3, and you can usually find the answers to why in our processes. So over the next few weeks, we're going to break down each objection and how to overcome these perceptions. If you're enjoying this content, please like and share it with others. Use it in your meetings. Invite your friends over to our page. I'm really excited about this series. And as always, we can't wait to see you.